Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. Well, it's September 5th, Labor Day, and I didn't think the mail would be going today. And so I didn't check the mail early. I checked the mail this evening, and I got the bargain bead box. So I'm happy about that. This month's theme is Misty Rose. You get, if you are a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box, you get a coupon code for 30% off their sister store, beadboxbargains.com, and that goes a long way. They also have a creation contest where you can win a $50 gift certificate at their sister store. Just show us what you make with your shipment, you'll be entered to win. And that's on Facebook, facebook.com/bargainbeadbox. Or via email, support@bargainbeadbox.com. On the front is a shipment identification key. Approximate total value for the shipment is $74. And if you're not already a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box, go in the description box below, click the link, and use coupon code Jewelry Art, one word. I'll have it across the screen here, and you'll get $2 off your first box. Alright, give me a minute to get everything organized and I'll be right back. Okay, 15-inch strand, 6mm rose quartz round beads. Nice long strand. Alright. Number 2 is some chain. 1 meter, 4 by 2.7 millimeter steel jewelry chain. And it's in copper. I just went to their sister store, the Bead Box Bargains, a couple of days ago, and they had some good deals on findings. They also had some stainless steel chain, things like that. I'll show you when I get it in the mail. Number 3, approximately 7.5-inch strand of 8.5 by 5 millimeter glass Rondell beads, icy pink. That was a mouthful. Oops, came too close. These are like some, you know, smashed rondelles, squishy rondelles. They're kind of like saucer shaped. They're glass. Alright, number 4 is pretty. 7.5-inch strand of 10mm assembled shell and turquoise and quotes resin beads. These are pretty for resin beads. Real pretty. Wow. I mean, my lights are washing it out. It's more of a salmony pink color with these dark, like brown striations throughout. Really pretty. Kind of reminds me of that pink camo in a way. I don't know if you can see the color better when I shade it. Nice. Alright, and then number 5. 10 pieces, 11.5 millimeter plus pressed glass, flower bead caps, milky pink. Oh, these are bead caps. They did look, you know, I thought they looked different. Really cool. See how round they are at the bottom? And then they flower out like that. You could use them for bead caps or flowers. Little bell flowers. Alright, number 6 is 10 pieces of 11.5 mil GoGo charms. Now, I've never heard of these GoGo charms, but I really like that. The pink and copper and antique copper goes so well together. And aren't those cool? And, you know, they're thicker on one side than they are on the other, so they would hang by this side. Really cool. Really nice design element. I can't wait to work with this box, actually. Alright, number 7 is 2-piece 26 by 21 mil floral round chandelier links. And these findings are really nice quality this month, from what I'm seeing. I love the antique copper. They just normally look, you know, a better quality for some reason. I do like this chandelier a lot. Some of the chandeliers we get in different subscriptions I don't care for. Alright, number 8. 48 millimeter floral cutout round medallion pendant. And I like that it's smooth. And not, you know, bumpy and stuff. It's smooth. That'll make a really nice piece. I think it goes this way. Alright, and number 9 is some bead caps. 24-piece 9 mil scallop bead caps. I like these scalloped bead caps. Of those. Alright, number 10. These are heavy. These have got some nice weight to them. Oh, look at those. Those are gorgeous. Those are nice quality. Let's see. 10 piece, 11 by 10 mil ornate round coin spacer beads. Those are really got some weight. Alright, and number 11. Approximately 8-inch strand, 6mm, tawny pink, rhodonite. Love rhodonite. Love. Love, love, love this box. Alright, number 12. 14-inch strand, 3mm round glass beads, matte metallic peacock red. Really, really like these. See, they're coming across darker than what's showing here because my lights are washing out. They're like an iris, reddish, fuchsia gold, and like copper iris. I love the size. They're really small. Number 13 is approximately 40mm rose quartz GoGo Pendant. Isn't that nice? It's a nice, heavy, I mean not real heavy, but it's pretty substantial. But it's a good size. It's not great big. It's smaller than the metal one. It's a nice gemstone pendant. I'm surprised. I didn't know they were called GoGo. And that's, you know, the same shape as the charms. Look nice there, wouldn't it? Okay, 14 is, they feel like gemstones. 10-piece strand, 10mm frosted rose quartz. Yes. Some pretty frosted rose quartz beads. Gemstones. Nice. Alright, number 15. 6-piece, 12.5mm pearl pink porcelain round beads. I like these because they have the nice big holes if you want to use cording. Aren't those pretty? They're like a tannish pink, like a real dusty pink, and they've got that nice luster. Like really, really luster. Can't see it. See, when I shade a couple of them, you can see how lustery they are. And that nice big hole. I like those a lot. Really pretty. Alright. Number 16. 13.5-inch strand, 3.5 by 3mm crystal Rondell beads, pink jade copper. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. This is some really shiny, sparkly copper. Really gorgeous. This box is inspiring. It's really inspiring. Alright. Alright, number 17 is clasps. Some hook and eye clasps. 5 sets hook and eye clasps. 24 by 11 mil. And number 18, 7.5 inch strands, 8 mil faceted rose quartz round beads. Oh, these are gemstones too. They're faceted. 8 mil. Okay. And number 19 is 100 pieces, 4 mil steel spacer beads, antique copper finish. These are nice. Antique copper. And that'll take them out. We've all seen the spacer beads, you know. Alright though, there we go. There is our September box. September 2022 bargain bead box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll come back with another video and show you what I've made. Alright, everyone have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.